Depending on whether you have a cat or a dog, you will have one of the following aerosol chambers, either the Aero Cat or the Aero Dog. So this is what your inhaler will look like. It's made up of the prescription inhaler in the orange, the aerosol chamber, which is the transparent and green area, and the face mask. There are different face mask sizes available depending on the muzzle size of your cat or dog. So, how do you do it? Step 1 is to shape the inhaler and insert it into the back end of the chamber. For step 2, it may be easier if you can get somebody to help you hold your pet. Then you need to gently apply the mask over the muzzle so that it covers the nose and the mouth but not the eyes. Step 3 is to press the inhaler so that it releases the medication into the aerosol chamber. Now this may be 1 to 3 pumps depending on what the vet has prescribed. Step 4 is your pet taking 7 to 10 breaths. You can count the breaths by looking at the flow view indicator. In the next part of the video, our nurses Natasha and Jade and our willing volunteer Ezri will demonstrate how to use the inhaler. So as you can see, Tasha's starting by giving Ezri lots of treats, lots of warm encouragement, positive reinforcement to make the use of the inhaler as stress-free as possible. She then picks up the inhaler, gives her a treat to say well done for giving it a sniff, familiarises it and places it over her nose gently. As shown in the bottom right hand corner, the movement of the flow view indicator shows that the dog or cat is taking a breath. You can see this in the video here, it's moving back and forth. Ideally we want the pet to take between about 7 and 10 breaths. It's important to then offer a reward like you did at the beginning. So a few tips and tricks. Always offer high reward when your pet takes their inhaler well. This can be done in the form of play or food, depending on what your pet prefers. It's important to slowly familiarise your pet with the sound and the feeling of the mask being on their face before administering. This does avoid them freaking out when you actually have to give the medication. It may be easier if you can find somebody to help you hold your pet whilst giving the inhaler. If cats are being a little bit scratchy, you can also wrap them in towels. This can make them feel slightly more comfortable when giving the inhaler too. For further information and more tips and tricks, you can also visit the Trudel Animal Health website. If you have further questions following this video, please contact the practice and arrange a consultation with a vet or nurse. Thank you for watching.